There may be the following reasons for hitting the profile when returning to the home. First, check whether the limit switch cable is loose. Then, check whether the limit switch is installed too far back so that it cannot be touched. The limit switch shrapnel should be pressed down just when the laser hits the front beam. Remove the bottom cover of the protective cover. Reinstall the Y-axis limit switch. When the laser just touches the front beam, the spring of the limit switch should just be pressed down. Install the protective cover back. Try to return home again.